don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining really, really heavily outside right now, and it almost sounds like there's a small kind of stream of water outside. You might not be able to hear it on the recording, but from here, from the distance from the window, I can certainly hear it. I'll be quiet for a moment, so maybe you will be able to hear it as well. Heard anything? Maybe not. I'll put the camera closer to my window, so you'll get you know, so you'll be able to hear it better. Can you hear that? The rain slightly died down a little bit, but it's still pretty heavy. In fact, I think I'm going to open the window. So let's just do that. Can you hear it now?